Gate. Near zero visibility in fog is expected or occurring. Dense fog is occurring at King Gate. Fog is expected to persist until Tuesday morning. ###. Fog advisories are issued when near zero visibilities in fog are expected or occurring. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to nostorm@canada.ca or tweet reports using #nostorm. Messages from Environment Canada at 9:11 p.m., October 18th, 2021, effective until 1:09 p.m., October 19th, 2021.